Welcome to Builders Repair Solutions. In this video, we'll show you how to repair damage on a vinyl window sash rail in a way that's fast, easy, and cost-effective. There's no demolition, no damage to the surrounding surfaces, and no need to remove the window. Our custom repair piece fits cleanly over the existing rail, eliminating delays and preventing huge cost overruns while delivering a clean, professional finish. Vinyl windows take a beating during construction. When one gets chipped, gouged, or crushed, you don't need demolition or a full replacement. A vinyl overlay repair offers a clean, simple fix. First, measure the length of the bottom sash rail from jamb to jamb so the repair piece creates a clean, seamless appearance. Cut the repair piece to length using a standard pair of scissors, no power tools needed, making this step quick, clean, and easy. Measure the height of the existing rail, then mark and score the repair piece with a razor knife, bending it to snap the vinyl cleanly for a precise fit. Test fit the piece, then mark the side jambs to make simple shoulder cuts so the repair fits snugly and seamlessly from jamb to jamb. Clean the rail and surrounding area with acetone to remove dirt, grease, and grime, ensuring a strong, long-lasting bond. Apply a continuous bead of silicone to the backside of the repair piece to secure it firmly to the existing rail. Press the repair piece into place over the damaged rail, locking in the shoulder cuts and aligning it carefully for a straight, professional finish. Silicone is applied along the sides and bottom to finish the seal and create a clean, seamless fit. In just 20 minutes, the window is restored. No demolition, no disruption, no damage to surrounding finishes. Builders Repair Solutions. Fast, easy, cost-effective.